Good morning to all of you. In this video, we will be talking about the feature of this vending machine. I'll be giving a full technical description on the line of codes and what it does. First of all, in this line of code, it starts by printing a welcome message saying, "Welcome to Cards Vending Machine." It then initializes a dictionary name, items, which lists a set of items categorized into drinks and chips, where each item has a unique number, name, and price stored in a nested dictionary. The next part of this code is where it prompts the users to input their age, ensuring it's a valid integer using an error handling. If the user's age is above 18 or older, it displays the display menu where it shows the categorized item and its unique numbers. It also prints out a welcoming message and a message showing the available items. Inside the for loop, we use a nested loop for a loop with category underscore item dot items as it's iterable to an of each key value in the category items dictionary. The item number variable represents the key or the item number, and the item details variable represent the value or a dictionary containing the item details. After that, the user is then prompted to input the amount of money they have, ensuring the input is a valid float using a error handling, such as the exact values you can see in this picture. And lastly, in this line of code, the selected item function allows the user to select the listed items from the vending machine. The function implements a while loop that continues indefinitely until the users enter the exit number, which is 0, to indicate that they have finished selecting their items. The user is prompted to enter an item number, and the function checks if the input is a valid integer. If the input is not a valid integer, it catches the valid error exception and displays an error message. If the input is a valid integer, the function checks if the number exists in the available item. The item exists, it is then added to the selected items list. If the number that the user input does not exist, the function displays an error message and prompts the user to enter a valid one. After the user has finished selecting item, the function calculates the total price by iterating to the selected items list and retrieving the price of each selected item. The function then checks if the user has enough money to purchase the selected item. If the user has enough money, the function calculates the change of display to the total price, as well as the amount of change the user will receive. If the user does not have enough money, the function displays an error message indicating that the user does not have enough money. And finally, if the user is not old enough to access the vending machine, the function will simply display an error message. And, and that is all for this video. Thank you all for listening.